Hello everyone and welcome. In this short video, I'll show you how to access and navigate Canvas, the online platform we use here at school for the Italian Cultural Studies in Year 7 and 8. This will help you to support your child with the Italian learning at home, from accessing class materials and checking assignments, keeping up with the cultural projects as well. So first of all, accessing Canvas. Step 1, we open your browser or your computer or tablet. I would recommend to access it from a laptop, just because it's a little bit more functional. Please log in with your preferred login. If you log in through your child's account, that would be preferable, but otherwise you can log in with the parents and carers as well. So clicking on your profile, then it is required for you to use your password, and as well as it requires for me. And now we are logged in. So this should be something that looks like what you see in the landing page. And once you're here, you can then select Year 7 or Year 8 Cultural Study. Here at the bottom, there's also Year 9. I do have multiple tiles because I'm in the teacher's view. However, I'm gonna use like this class, which is Year 7 Cultural Studies, Italian language, just as a sample to present you the learning environment. So clicking on the right tile and clicking on the view as a student, you're gonna see on the left hand side there's some icons. There should be some icons, and here there's a menu. Don't worry, we don't need all of these. We just need about 3 or 4 buttons, which are the main ones. But I want to draw your attention in the middle section here. There is 1, 2, and 3 modules. So these 3 modules are completed within the year. For Year 7, we have completed La Famiglia, and that's what I'm going to use as an example. So let's say that your child was on a family holiday for 2 weeks, and they miss maybe 1 or 2 lessons. Here they are exactly each lesson, exactly what we've done in the class. So there's a little summative task, which is what the students should be able to complete by the end of the term, and this is a little formative task, but there's more detailed in the assignment section. So this is basically the lesson content. I'm not going to go through what to do with those, but I'm going to create a separate video where I explain how to do it. I want to present you with the menu. So on the left hand side you have Home, which is the page they just show you. Announcements, which is the announcements that they make towards the whole class. For example, sometimes I require your child to watch a video, or maybe do some very light work before the class, or maybe even as a homework. So that is the first very important tab. The second is Assignments, which is the description of what they need to complete by the end of the term. Every term we have at least 1 assignment, and this is very important for them to click in and create a and be aware about the assignments they need to be they need to complete. Even like I'm going to create a separate I'm going to create a separate video that shows you how to navigate the assignment page. The other thing very important is marks. That's where you can see the marks of the semester. It looks I can guarantee you is not too bad. It just needs a bit of attention. So basically 1, 2, 3, and 4, that is all you need to support your child with their learning. This is just a general presentation of Canvas as a learning environment. Next video will be about how to access the lesson content. Thank you for listening and have a great day.